Well, hello there to you watching this from your screen. It is Ashley. Today's video is going to be another spring cleaning video, except this time we'll solely be focusing on my kitchen. If you can't tell by those little clips I just took, it really needs some TLC, and I am going to do that today in this video. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Enjoy the video, guys! I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner to wipe down the surface of the stove and really just get all of that gunk off, and also the dust that gets trapped on top. I don't know about you guys, but those things from the stove get disgusting. So I'm just going to be using some baking soda, and I don't have a Brillo pad or anything that's coarse, so I just folded up a piece of foil to act as an abrasive, a pad that I can scrub all of that stuff off of. If you guys want a little bit of a cleaning hack, I like to take old t-shirts, especially ones that don't fit anymore or ones that we're just going to throw out, like basic white t-shirts, and I cut them up and use them as cleaning cloths. You're probably wondering why I just put on a pot of water. But you know those pesky hood vents underneath your microwave? Well, they get so greasy, and I'm sure you've realized that. So I'm just boiling some water and throwing them in there to get all of that greasy shenanigans off of there, because who wants that under their microwave? That is what I was left with. Now onto my lovely oven. I'm just going to be putting some baking soda on there and letting that sit, and we will come right back to it. In the meantime, I'm spraying my Thieves mixture in my microwave and scrub-a-dubbing that down. So as the baking soda was sitting, I did go ahead and put on a pot of boiling water. Once it started boiling, I dumped it. I don't recommend doing this. Actually, I would probably put it into a spray bottle and spray the warm water on there and let it sit that way. This kind of just created a mess for me afterwards. Look how disgusting. It just created a mess for me afterwards because it leaked out of the oven. So I would just recommend to spray it next time. But look how clean. Now on to under the sink organization. I dreaded this for so long because I just feel like everything was piling up, and it literally needed to be done ASAP. I am so glad I waited to do it though for this video, because it is now documented and I couldn't be any more happy about it. Oh look, another cabinet that needs to be organized. I just want to say all those juice boxes were not laying in the refrigerator like that. Disclaimer, they were in a organization bin, but I needed to use it for my laundry room, so I just dumped it in there for like literally 5 minutes, I promise. And to top it all off, I will be cleaning my beloved Keurig. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will also leave all of my social media links in the description box below, so make sure to follow me on all of my social media, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.